Hello, and welcome back to English with Audie. Today, we will learn very important English phrases. These phrases are about feelings and emotions. We use these phrases every single day. So, let us begin together. When we speak English, we do not just share information. We also share how we feel. Are you happy today? Are you tired? Are you worried? In English, there are beautiful phrases to express every feeling. And today, you will learn them all. Our first phrase is, I am so happy today. Let us say it slowly. I am so happy today. We use this phrase when something good happens. For example, I passed my exam. I am so happy today. Now, you say it. I am so happy today. Our next phrase is, I am feeling a little sad. Say it slowly with me. I am feeling a little sad. We use this when something upsets us. For example, my friend moved to another city. I am feeling a little sad. Remember, it is okay to feel sad sometimes. I am feeling a little sad. Now our third phrase. I am a little worried. Slowly. I am a little worried. We say this when we are nervous about something. For example, I have an exam tomorrow. I am a little worried. This is a very natural phrase. People use it every day. I am a little worried. Our fourth phrase is my favorite. I am really excited. Say it with energy. I am really excited. We use this when something amazing is coming. For example, my family is going on a trip. I am really excited. Say it again with feeling. I am really excited. Our fifth phrase is, I am really tired today. Slowly. I am really tired today. We say this after a long and busy day. For example, I worked all day. I am really tired today. This is one of the most common phrases in daily English. I am really tired today. Our sixth phrase is beautiful. I am really grateful. Say it slowly. I am really grateful. Grateful means you feel thankful for something. For example, my friend helped me today. I am really grateful. This phrase makes people feel very good when they hear it. I am really grateful. Our seventh phrase is, I feel a bit nervous. Slowly, I feel a bit nervous. We say this before doing something difficult. For example, I am going for a job interview. I feel a bit nervous. It is completely normal to feel nervous sometimes. I feel a bit nervous. Our 8th and final phrase is, I am so proud of myself. Say it loudly. I am so proud of myself. We say this when we do something difficult and we succeed. For example, I spoke English today. I am so proud of myself. Please say this every day because you are working hard and you should be proud. I am so proud of myself. Now, let us quickly review all 8 phrases together. 1, I am so happy today. 2, I am feeling a little sad. 3, I am a little worried. 4, I am really excited. 5, I am really tired today. 6, I am really grateful. 7, I feel a bit nervous. 8, I am so proud of myself. Say all of them every morning, and your English will improve every single day. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope you learned something new and useful. Practice these 8 phrases every single day. Say them out loud. Say them with feeling. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English with Audie for more slow, simple, and clear English videos. I will see you in the next video. Take care, keep practicing, and keep growing. Goodbye for now.